Today's an auspicious day. It's a day of deep grieving, sadness, beauty, fireworks, and friends. We're gonna go see my longtime friend, Lori, to go out on the water. The river over there, where the sun is setting. Take this canoe up here and go see some fireworks. Go see some fireworks from the water. It'll be beautiful. And I'm gonna mutter some philosophical ramblings about grief and sadness and like life and all that. It's gonna be nice and beautiful and cathartic. Let's go. These days I'm grieving and will continue to grieve the end of a romantic partnership. One that was done in by my own hand, that I'm entirely responsible for. Yeah, where I acted on old habits and immaturity got the best of me. That's all I'll say. I never know how much to share on camera, because this is a public record and people I know watch it. But if they really want to know, they can just message me. It feels like a double ouchie. Grieving a loss, plus it being your fault. But that's how we grow, and that's how we learn. And that's how we allow old parts of ourselves to die. We're driving over where we're putting in, on the Ottawa River. We'll be putting our canoe somewhere on that side and paddling over there towards Parliament, where the fireworks will be happening in front of the Museum of History. So cool. This adventure took about an hour-ish of planning, but I've always wanted to do something like this. So yeah. I'm glad it's being actualized. Well, made it to a parking lot. I don't know if this is legal, but we made it. The river's right there, but we gotta walk about 300-ish meters to get to a proper boat launch. Good thing I went on a canoe trip recently and did a 1.3 kilometer portage with hills. So a 300-meter portage in the city shouldn't be too bad. Yeah, plus I'll have Lori to help me out and to TP my canoe for me. So yeah, let's go. I've instead opted for the fence down the stairs. Straight. Let's go. This here's the bridge that goes to Ottawa. Look, all these boats already ready. Nice. Pretty easy so far, actually. My problem is with that fence up ahead. Ah! God! Banging it on stairs. Jesus. Hi, Laurie. Welcome aboard. That was so fast and easy just to get on the launch point. Just insane. So yeah, the fireworks will be happening up there. Maybe we'll do a trip to the falls or go to Parliament or the Rideau Canal. I don't know, depends on the timing. I'm gonna try to get under that bridge, but there's some signs over there that may imply we can't do that. But we shall see. We're on a canoe and all these people are out on yachts, so their motors may not be able to take the shallow waters over there. And the Cubs get to go past there, so why can't we? Okay, so the boundary is this bridge, which we're going past just a little bit. Here we are. The Museum of History is over that way, and there's the beauty of Ottawa. Just see all the fireworks up here above us. Okay, so we got 2 bowling knots right there. We're looking for glow sticks. I got a glow sticks that expired from the military in 2017. Let's see if they still work. And here we are, situated. The party's over there. And I want to ask someone for napkins so I can plug my ears, because I don't want to hear music. And I want to shield my ears from the blasts of industrial grade fireworks. Okay, let's see if one of these actually works. Military grade glow stick. Oh my god.
Oh my god, wait. I missed that.
Woo! Expires in 2017, but still, we still got it. Okay, headlamp equipped. Check this out. We got a rope, an anchor here. I just found a rock and I tied shibari around it. Now we're gonna put it at the end of the canoe to secure it so it stops banging up on these rocks. All right, canoe is settled in. Fucking hell, I need a brighter light for this. Canoe settled in. I'm being recorded, and I just gotta put the rock in the water.
Don't. I'm kind of scared. What?
No, you're fine.
Are you
You're
gonna
fine.
put it right here?
Yeah. Anchor set. Okay. So now we should not be banging into the rocks. Maybe. All right. Behold, the canoe is staying still. The anchor worked. This is like, I don't know how much you can see on this video, but yeah, the anchor worked. And now we can just chill and watch the fireworks. Okay, I'm gonna try to sneak into the party, which I think will be pretty easy because I'm just like right on the rocks, right beside it. My shirt's wet, which is my reason to go get my, I just want napkins to plug my ears from the loud noises. I don't care about your VIP stuff, I just want your napkins to plug my ears. But I love sneaking into places that I'm not supposed to be in. So let's go trespass. Wow, fancy. Oh my god, food. I think this is all the VIP area. The fireworks are beginning though, but they don't have paper napkins here. They're too rich for paper napkins. They only have cloth napkins. So fancy, fancy, fancy. I can't even seal a simple dinner roll here. No leftovers for Nick. No leftovers for the hobo. I will return to my rat nest down below. This whole area is surrounded by people of Ottawa and the surrounding. Many citizens are around here to view the fireworks, just like encircling this part of the Ottawa River as the show is about to begin. Oh my god, like I'm having a wonderful time. I applied all of my canoe skills to do this, like make an anchor over the fence or the portage, everything, and I'm proud of myself and I feel good. But I'm still so fucking sad. Like my heart is still so heavy, and I still grieve, and I still feel so much. But we just take it one step, one day at a time. Right, Laurie?
That's right.
That's right. You're not even invisible.
That's right.
That's right. One day, one step at a time. That's all we can do. Like fireworks, the thinking mind holds great energy and potential to captivate attention. They also share the same quality to arise and pass away in the same moment. Training yourself to see this and loosening your grip on your thinking will reduce suffering substantially. That is that. What a beautiful show. Yeah. And it was nice to share it with someone else, even though it wasn't that special to someone else. And I'm still very grateful to be able to have nice friends. Nice friends like Laurie. Thanks for being here, Laurie.
Thanks for being here.
Yeah. Now we're gonna make our way to some waterfalls. Oh wow, look at this, like all these lights and car lights and boat lights, all these people who celebrated with us. The applause was just like a giant arena. Applause and cheers from all over this, all over the river. And we're ending this night with some beautiful soft music from the Museum of History. And we're getting out of here because we're not allowed past the bridge after 10:30 p.m. Yeah, we should have hastened with it. But yeah, all my canoe skills, the rope, the anchor stuff came into play, and I'm happy that I'm happy to see like all my skills pay off, all my learnings. So yeah, let's get out of here. So now we're leaving all the boats. We're under the bridge that our launch point somewhere over there. You can't say anything with me. Oh, the light's gone. Okay, we're gonna see some waterfalls and maybe it's lit up. We shall find out. Here we have these tiki bars as seen on Dragon's Den. And the waterfalls are somewhere over that way, where the lights are. You probably can't see the falls from here, but I visit these falls all the time on my bike. This is the first time I'm seeing it from water level. We made it back to the spot where we launched. There's the stairs. And now we take the canoe back up, pack our stuff, undo the ropes, blah, 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 blah. And we're all done. The gift of movement and time with friends and distraction to not nullify a grieving heart, but to not suffer in isolation. It's nice. Suffering is still occurring and pain is still occurring, but at least it's painful outside and under fireworks and with good company rather than in the confines of my own room. Like mustering all my skills to get up the stairs. It's going pretty well actually. Just gotta like Superman your arm. No, actually it's more like a Sig Heil. I'm so strong. I'm so fucking strong. I'm capable of so much. Made it back to the city. Made it back to civilization.
It was just some stairs.
Just some stairs. And you know, a wild portage. But I'm so freaking strong. So freaking strong.
The finality.
Final thing is we're gonna go hit up the sauna.
Wait, your name.
We're gonna go hit up the sauna. We're gonna sweat our sadness off. We're gonna we're gonna grieve. We're gonna be sad, and
I can't even see you.
and we're just gonna miss her so much. Today's the start of a new day. I'm on Bank Street right now. I'm about to go co-work with a friend. Yeah. There is grief every day. I wake up every day with the feeling of grief, but it's like a little bit lighter. I call it you waking up with like a silver platter of grief or a silver platter of shit, and you just gotta eat it and be with it and consume it and join it. But every day it gets like a nibble lighter. So yeah, one step at a time, one day at a time. Today, the one step is co-working and being outside, being with friends, and going to check out a men's group tonight, or biking, or doing yoga. I always thought these things were like, oh, these are just band-aid solutions, these don't matter. And yeah, maybe the case. I don't want to rely on activities for my well-being. Ideally, I would directly experience being whole and complete as I am always. But yeah, we have much work to do. So keep going, continue contemplating, and keep feeling the feels, and accept yourself where you are.